Welcome to this video tutorial from the FCPS Department of Information Technology. Today we will review installation for the TeacherVUE mobile app. The following minimum requirements are necessary for using this app. Handheld device with iOS 8.0 or later, wireless or internet connection through the device, must be able to access the App Store, Google Play, or iTunes Store to download the necessary apps. Users outside of FCPS must VPN using PulseSecure before logging on to the TeacherVUE mobile app. For this demonstration, we are using an iPad. The TeacherVUE mobile app works best on an iPad. Using other devices may impact access to certain functions. If this occurs, the desktop version should be used. The first step is to install the apps. Access the App Store, Google Play, or iTunes Store on your device. Use your iTunes account to download the app. The app is free. If needed, see your TSpec or SBITS for help obtaining an Apple ID. Search for PulseSecure. Follow the prompts to install. Before opening PulseSecure, download the TeacherVUE app. Search for TeacherVUE. This app is provided by EduPoint Educational Systems. Be sure to select TeacherVUE. The app is gray, as there are multiple apps here that look similar. Follow the prompts to install. We will first set up PulseSecure. Open the PulseSecure app. Add a new configuration. The URL is https://connect.fcps.edu. Enter the name as FCPS. Now let's set up the TeacherVUE app. Open the TeacherVUE app. Click OK. Enter the district URL for SIS, https://sis.fcps.edu/sis. Click the test button. A message will appear indicating a successful connection. Click OK. Click the X to close the settings window. Navigate to PulseSecure. In the PulseSecure app, click Connect. Enter your network, username, and password. The Connect bar will now become green and read Disconnect. In the TeacherVUE app, enter your network username and password. Click the Login button. Note, you may save your username to ease future login. You will still need to enter your password to log on. Click the Login button. TeacherVUE app suggested uses include acknowledge added and dropped students, view student info including address data and emergency contacts, view attendance, view assignments and student scores. This is available for the iPad only. Take attendance, minimal changes to gradebook. Note, you should always click Sign Out or Log Out to end your SIS session. Closing the browser or app window without doing so does not terminate your session. Inactivity logout periods and opening multiple SIS windows could result in unsaved or lost changes. TeacherVUE functions not available in the app include edit gradebook setup, term weighting setup, send progress reports, post grades, print, save gradebook. The next video will take you through the steps of navigating the TeacherVUE mobile app. Thank you for watching this video from the FCPS Department of Information Technology. For further assistance on this topic, please call the IT Service Desk at 703 503-1600 or submit a request IT ticket